Okay, start. Okay. Hi, good morning to all. To Sir Dr. Chua and Amel. I would like to present to you my system about the appraisal management system by the China Bank Surveys programmed by me, Mr. LeejayAquino the SIP ETEEAP 2018 up to 2019. First of all, I would like to present to you my profile. So I am Mr. LeejayAquino, programmer, analyst, and web developer. And also my technical skills and these ASP.NET, PHP.NET, ASP Classic, HTML5, JavaScript, Bootstrap, AngularJS, jQuery, Script, WebMetrics, Dreamweaver, C#, VB.NET, SQL Server, and more. So, a programmer developer of appraisal management system, the China Bank. So, first of all, I would like to give to you the screenshot about the appraisal management system. From the Android cell phone, this is the appraisal management system icon for the Android developer, and also from the internet application is also the portal chinabank.ph/cbs and AMS web portal. So this is the application of the appraisal management system. And the topics for my presentation is the executive summary, introduction, review of the related system and technology, and also the methodology. So first is the executive summary. So the credit service of the appraisal division, the China Bank Service, personal encountered challenges in responding, monitoring, and managing the property appraisal requests of each client coming from each consumer lending group. Such request is necessary in the evaluation being conducted by the housing, auto, and personal loans department. Usually, there's a minimum waiting period of 2 days for the CBS appraisal to complete the appraisal report, which contain the condition and the evaluation of the property. This information are necessary to determine the best optimum recommendation that can be provided to the clients applying for loan. So, for example, is for the one appraiser, accomplish regular appraisal per day is 2. Based on the basic actual appraisal process, each appraiser spends 8 hours to finish 2 regular appraisal reports and to prepare the appraisal report considering the aggressive stance of the China Bank Savings and its lending business sustaining individual clients' property. Appraisal record demands on the system that can be provided an accurate, precise information at the given time. So here is the allocation of the appraisal management system. The 50% is the appraisal inspection, 19% is the appraisal report, appraisal material is 31%. Based on chart, the chart represents that 50% of the appraisal time is spent in preparation of the appraisal report and the material and inspection. So, introduction about the China Bank Savings. Let's introduce to you. China Bank Savings Incorporated is proud member of the China Bank Banking Corporation, group and one of the fastest growing banks in the country today. It has over 140 branches nationwide, which a strong platform for retail and banking, auto, housing, and enterprise finance, providing the backbone to cater to the growing needs of the broader consumer and small-medium enterprises that's called SME market. China Bank Savings committed to the achieving prosperity, promoting financial inclusiveness, and uplifting the quality of life of the consumers and entrepreneurs in the line with its personal brand of service. What is the purpose of this project? The purpose of this project is to develop a web-based appraisal management system that will allow the CBS Credit Service and Appraisal Division appraisers to speed up the delivery of the appraisal report to the lending group department, feeding the information regardless of the schedule, route, and the location of the assignment. Streamline and improve the existing property appraisal and request process to ensure that all activities involved in the process are properly implemented and followed in accordance with the CBS policies and procedures. So, objective. So, here's the objective of the project: to provide the convenient and cost-effective appraisal services to the clients of the bank who are availing its loan product and services through its one-time appraisal program. To provide fast and accurate decision of the loan of various clients of the bank through its one-day application approval loan, and to help the credit administration division of the bank its one-day loan processing turnaround time that commits to the China Bank Savings Board of Directors and stakeholders through its one data source, one platform system architecture. So the scope and limitation of the project. First, people. The proposed appraisal management system will manage and develop by CBC Properties and Computer Center Incorporated, affiliates and support system development, project manager, leader, and system developer, alongside with the business analyst of the China Bank Savings Business Process Management Division or BPMD. The project is sponsored and the system owner will come from the CBS Credit and Appraisal Division, while the user stakeholder of the project will come both CBS and services of Appraisal Division and the lending department, since the process relate to each other. About the process of the appraisal management system will cover the requesting approval of process of the client property request coming from the CBS lending group. The system will also include capturing and monitoring physical condition, location, valuation of the client property, including the consolidation, imaging of the vital information such as technical specification, tax mapping, as well as validation of the property needed in the appraisal report. After all the appraisal are made, an appraisal report will be generated. About the technology, a standalone system will facilitate the whole appraisal process, including the record and forwarding of the appraisal request and the report to the designated bank authorized personnel. The system will enable that bank appraisal to capture records and transmit the client property, actual physical condition and information, as well as technical specification document through the use of the bank approved mobile devices, and internet connection. So, using of that mobile and internet connection. The appraisal activities, traveling time, and exact location will be generated through the use of the Global Positioning System or GPS. Data/information. The data information to be used to accomplishing the project will come from the CBS lending group and the credit system and the appraisal division, who will also provide the steps and procedure of the appraisal request and the actual process request. So here is the theoretical framework of the appraisal management system. First is to define the problem. So from the programmer, define the problem, measure or quality the problem, analyze, identify the cause of the problem, improve, implement and verify the solution, control, maintaining the solution. So this is the theoretical framework of the appraisal management system. So based on this, the system shall use the 5 phases of Lean Six Sigma, namely define, measure, analyze, improve, control, or DMAIC by Michael, Harry, and Bill Smith as the theoretical framework of the capstone as shown on figure 2. So, here. Since the system will be in-house developed with the expected possibilities of the several enhancements until the system is perfected. So, cycle. Define. This is the critical phase of the theoretical framework, defining the problem, creating the high-level view of existing process, understanding and severity of the business impact, things and concern internal client shall be properly performed in the phase. Measure. In the order of measure, how to process and perform, determining the baseline for each process and seeking to understand. And in and out of each process shall be carefully conducted by the design team. Analyze and then identifying the cause of the problem in the aim of this phase. Improve. This is the phase where the solution and development shall be done. Control. Just like any project, this phase is the documentation stage. Since this endeavors to be institutionalized for those who will assign to work on this project in near future. So the methodology that used on this project here, the requirement specification, scope and limitation, business analysis, system analysis, design development, system integration testing, user acceptance testing, training, implementation, post-implementation evaluation, and project closure. So the workflow illustrates of the appraisal management system. First is the requester, second is the receiver, third is the dispatcher, fourth is appraiser, and fifth evaluator. Requester sends the document to the receiver. Once the receiver receives the document from the requester and finds the missing document, the receiver returns to the document to the requester to process and to add another document to the appraisal and send it again to the receiver. The same as receiver procedure from returning requester and receiver. So that's okay. Move, dispatcher, approve, return, put using document, appraisal, move to the evaluator, and return once using document. Once the document is approved, the evaluator processes the document and returns it to requester for finish and approve the appraisal document. Here the process flow of the appraisal management system or system architecture. CBS lending group, CBS CCAD manager and supervisor, CBS and lending group of CBC, CBS and CCAD management and supervisor. So they inputted the data to the computer here, and send it to the server, and from the server transmit it to the internet, and move to the appraiser. And the appraiser received from the document to the field. Appraiser returned the document to the server, from server feedback to the same group. So that's all. So next is the demonstration of the system. Here my system, so the appraisal management system, here the admin system, the appraisal management. So first, log in. Yeah. So the admin of the appraisal management system is here. You will see the screen. So yeah, user list. Access list. In the reports. In the geolocation. Okay. The parameter. Okay. So first input the let's create a user. That is an management system. Okay. Approved by dashboard. So here, the sample of the user of the appraisal management system. So you may look the field. So expiration date is 120, expired date created, temporary password. So that's all. And for the access of this user, so I will give him any of them. So for now I will give a is the requester. So wait for the approve. So we will go to the dashboard. Approve. So there's are two types of admin. One is the maker and one is for the approver. The maker is also create a list of user and create a access for the user. While the admin approver is to approve the request of the admin maker. So that's all. This is the admin area. So let's move to the appraisal management system. So before some created user yung mga nagawa ko yung kaganina. So sinampulan lang natin. Okay, so let's start login. Okay. From the requester, based on the requester, receiver, and based on that. Requester create the document. Date of appraisal fee, then auto. There's a loss sample is UBMS quota billion. Then add collateral. Then appraisal request type is the initial and updating. Request class is the appraisal, title verification, and other verification. So let's start to the appraisal. So here the content category of the appraisal Then, total verification content category is there. Other verification content category is there. So let's start to appraisal. So fill up the bills, sample, NCR. Nine, 6, 3, 2, bills, samples, contact number. So, unit specification. So, okay. So for example, is the approval upload file. So here the distribution, then click submit. Okay. So if you want to add another collateral, please use add and create another appraisal, then submit. So for now, one collateral. So next, for example, next, add, then submit to the requester. So, okay. So, pending by requester, then submitted to the receiver. Submitted to the receiver, pending by receiver. So let's log in the receiver. Okay, let's into the okay. Do you want to assign this request to your user account? Click OK. Then view. So check the tracer. So here the upload. Okay. I want to return to the requester. Okay, so accountability is from restore, return to requester. So move to the return request. So here the return request. So edit, add another file. Okay, another file here. Then click update. Okay, submit again to the receiver. Okay, from receiver, check again the payment. Okay, here. Okay. Then move to dispatcher. Okay, instability pending by dispatcher. The test status is submitted to dispatcher. Okay. Assign. Do you want to assign this request to your user account? Click OK. Then view. So check the document. Okay. Complete. Okay. So from view, able to download the file. Okay. If you want to see the collateral list. Okay. So for now, the document is all good and complete. So let's move to the appraiser. So assign to appraiser. Sample. So here the list of the appraiser. So pick one. So appraiser. Submit. Okay, the request has been submitted to the appraiser. So submitted to appraiser, pending by appraiser. So from the scenario of this, requester, receiver, and dispatcher, and now for the appraiser. So here's the asset moment. So okay, an appraiser. Okay, view, check the document. Okay, complete. So attach another document. So attach another document based on the appraiser observation from the field. Okay, budget request actual. Appraisal value, for example, serial number, model, Total appraised value. So here the total appraised value, then attach the file, then upload file. Okay. So this is the sample observation of the appraiser. So click save. Okay. Then appraiser will complete. Then submitted to evaluator. So here that an evaluator tool, then select assign to the account. Okay. Then select review the attach. Okay. Touch report. Okay. Total appraised value is 135. Then now return to the requester. Based on our system flow, the evaluator returns to the requester once the document is complete or completed. Okay. Return to the requester. Okay. Request status is report completed. Accountability is from requester. So let's check the approved document from the requester. So here the approved documents of the requester. Select. Okay. So this is the approved document. Check the attachment from appraiser. Okay. So let's check. Download. Done. So that's all. So about the location. So about the location with the location. So log in of the appraiser, then check by admin. Where is the appraiser location? Okay, let's check. Okay, so this is the location of the appraiser. Then again thank you.